Alright, today we're on the Africa Twin. We're going to the favela, guys. Let's go there. Jumped out, guns are out. And, oh, okay, let me go on the bike and tell you about this story properly, actually, because that was wild. Just when you think Brazil can't get more crazy, it gets more crazy. Ah, okay.
100, não pode grau.
Ah, não pode grau.
Aí ela vai distracionar e perigoso.
Ah.
Pra grau, sempre 0.
Mais seguro?
Seguro.
See, he's asking if I'm going to wheelie this thing today, but I have no plans on doing that. But we'll see. Vamos. Oh, his clutch is so far out. Oh, meu Deus, she's talky as tits. Wow, you can feel the difference on this. You know, oh, this is crazy. Anyway, yeah, so we got around this corner. Boom! Police lit us up. It's kind of hard to speak and ride out here. I don't know any of these streets. I don't know what's around what corner. God, this bike's mental. This bike is absolutely mental. Right, vamos pra favela. We gotta be careful, actually. So anyway, police light us up. What is going on? What's going on? What kind of marketing is that? Fuck me. No, Dios. Yeah, police light us up, pull the guns out, and this, yeah, they've got all the guns on me. I'll put the video on screen right now.
Tem que fazer um bagulho, fazer fumaça, mano.
Oi, cara, right now.
É parceiro, é barato.
Fuck, não.
É barato. Speak English. Quase caiu o saco do Papai Noel. É, viado. Meu Deus.
Imagine this, yeah? Let's go on there.
Só faltou um cigarrinho. Que isso, meu? Porra, tu me trouxe cigarrinho, eu sou para cigarro. Porra!
There's police there. Trying to act suspicious. Yo, where's this guy going? No, he's not going on the road. No. No way.
Oh my God. Ei, calma aí, meu. Vamos aí te mostrar. Olha.
He's gonna go away.
Meu Deus,
No.
meu Deus.
What's going on?
Para.
Oh my days.
Meu Deus. Elas
No, this is mental.
Começa outro vídeo, Justin. Começa outro vídeo. Nem para.
Ah, eles.
Vai.
Sem policia lá.
Ele estava na janela, né?
he just pulled up on the fucking top of the car and there's police. New driver. Oh shit, I don't know if I trust this guy. He's only been on top of the car. He's been on it more than he's been in it. Oh my god! Wow, I don't trust this guy. Oh, fucking hell! Oh my days! Oh my days! This guy's nuts! Hey! Right. Eu inglês, amigo. Desculpa. And I said, sorry, I don't speak much Portuguese. And then he said, I can't remember, we'd had a few drinks. Yeah, we'd had a few drinks and Perigoso. Ah, okay. Perigoso, it's dangerous. Oh, I'm in gear 2. I thought I was in 1. My deals, this thing pulls like a fucking train. This is fucking hell. This thing's an animal. É louco! É louco! Essa também! É louco! I was trying to get from Instagram reel. Yeah, and I said, sorry, I don't speak much English. I mean, I said, sorry, I don't speak much Portuguese. And he goes, I think he said, let's try speaking, let's try it then, let's try speak Portuguese. I said, cool, let's try. Start speaking in Portuguese, and he's gonna film a reel and I'm gonna have my story interrupted. And then I didn't realize, yeah, so I'm speaking Portuguese with these police, and he goes, I didn't hear this part, he was saying it the other side of the car, he just remembered today, and he goes, he said the police was saying, he said, this gringo, he said, he said, that's what he said, that's the translation, he goes, fuck this, he goes, this he said he don't speak Portuguese, but he ain't spoke, what's wrong with me, I can't even string a sentence here. Hold on, we'll get back to the story in a second, I'll retry that. Anyway, yeah, so he's around the other side of the car and he goes, this gringo's a lie, he said this gringo's a fake. he said he don't speak English or he don't speak Portuguese, and he said a word in English. They thought I was a crazy Brazilian guy playing the innocent gringo card. Oh, you got, that's second gear. Cool, you've actually got to give her beans. No wonder he's saying that MT flies up. First gear, this thing flies up just on the throttle, but I thought she'd come up easier than that with a clutch. Meu Deus! That's not police, is it? Oh my days! Loco! but the MT-07 does sound absolutely mental. Oh, he's going right. Loco moto. Tem boa freos. Oh meu Deus, here we go. He's saying test it out at first gear. It's very strong, but I've just been doing that and I know it's very strong. It's just powerful. That's why I was trying to lift it in second, but second it actually takes it. Oh no. Second it takes more beans than I want to give her. Second just don't come up like that. I have to figure this bike out. Hã?
Que moto boa!
É.
Nossa!
Yeah. Fácil motor.
Muito melhor que Hornet.
Yeah. Yeah.
Muito boa, moto boa, mano. Caralho, nunca tinha andado. Olha só, papo reto, gostei muito da MT.
Nunca andar com.
Nunca andar 07.
What?
Eu tinha 09.
Ah, essa é mais difícil.
Muito mais difícil.
Essa é muito fácil.
Muito fácil, bicicleta, amigo.
É.
Louco, moto louca. Cara, se eu ficar hoje andando nela, eu empino muito nela.
É. Rápido aprender rápido com ela.
Nossa.
Essa difícil.
Difícil.
Segundo?
Eletrônico.
Segundo?
Entende?
Nada.
Nada. Não, sim.
Mas mais.
Tem que
Muito.
Aí perigoso. Porque às vezes vai demais. Entende? Tipo, não é. Vem cá. Não é cabo assim, ó. Não é cabo. Entende? Não é aqui, ó.
Oh, no cable, entende? Eletrônico.
Eletrônico.
Yeah.
É diferente.
Vai. Meu Deus! Vamos! In hell. It's like drugs to them kids. I don't actually understand that. Like, it's part of their culture, so I can't say too much, but if they do that to their own bikes enough, then at least they won't have enough money for drugs. They spend their time rebuilding engines. Ah, você perdi? Não sei.
Vamos andar.
He's lost. I'm in a rush as well. He's loving the 07 though. No, he wasn't happy with that. It's a one way, that's why. Vai na frente. Meu Deus! Oh, it does come up. She comes up. You pretty much got to pit at full pin. There we are.
Ah, é top. Ô meu, nunca tinha andado na 07. Boa, meu.
So gassed about the 07. That's the appreciation the bike deserves though. Such a good bike. My chain is crusty.